This is Permajet Lustre Paper, and so is this Permajet Lustre Paper. But the big difference is that I'm pre-testing the new double-sided version. If you already know Photo Lustre 310, you'll have no issues with the quality and colour that comes from the new double-sided lustre. It keeps the wonderful deep blacks and bright colours of the 310, which makes this and also Smooth Pearl my recommended papers for excellent, no hassle, all-round photography printing. With double-sided papers, you can use these for portfolios, greeting cards, calendars and photo books, but I thought I'd do something for the wedding photographers out there and the baby portrait photographers and bring in something that I used to do years ago. Now, I've retired mostly from weddings and I haven't done a wedding fair for a long time, but I used to produce these wedding zines. They're great for wedding fairs, but they're also good for wedding fairs when you're at a particular venue, and you can actually personalise these to that particular venue. All you need to do is set up a couple of templates on Photoshop and then print out onto double-sided paper. And this lustre paper produces high quality printing to allow you to show off your images as they should be. These homemade zines make great low-cost giveaways to help market your services at any exhibitions you're at. Double-sided lustre has no show-through, and as mentioned earlier, it retains that fabulous quality of the Lustre 310. If you pop over to the permajet.com website, you can see the awards that they've got for the normal Lustre 310, so I'm sure those will come along in the future. And on this link here, there's a great report from ImageMaker for the Lustre 310, and that will give you some idea of what you're likely to get from this new double-sided lustre from Permajet.